Hello everybody, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today I would like to share with you one of our control valve, this one. Let's share it together. And firstly, as you can see, the outside packages, the blue VCI and T-roll spec. Here this is the product SKU and the product code is F00VC01358. And here Caitlin wants to mention that for this kind of logo labeled packages, etc., we can support customized service. And now, let's open it. Inside is this transparent bottle. It can be better prevent some damages during the transportation, and it is very hard. We not only sealing the whole side, we also set the separate parts, like the valve cap or the valve rod. For the product, quality guaranteed 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it, or it's okay. And let's see more details. If you look carefully, you'll find on the valve cap here with the coating figures. And Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, please clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. And the second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position of the injector. The valve rods can be moved smoothly off the injector body. So much for the valve assembly introduction. And any other product if you're interested in, please feel free to contact us. So much for today. Let's see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.